The Great Plains Manufacturing Scholars Program is a phenomenal opportunity for students who are looking to kind of take that next step a little bit earlier. They're going to be working in industry part-time, so about 20 hours per week, but they're learning all of that at the same time as they are going to school. It is an accelerated program too, because they do all of this and they get their bachelor's degree, and they do all of that in 3 years, working part-time for Great Plains and the other half of their time going through these courses.
I am a senior in the Mechanical Engineering Technology program at K-State, and I'm also a Great Plains Manufacturing Scholar. So they start you off learning the process, what warehouse looks like, what the assembly process looks like. It really gets into the practice of some of the things we learned at K-State Salina and how that actually looks in industry and how you would actually do that.
This program has helped me attain my education in many ways. Using the knowledge I've gained from my education and applying it while still in school helps me retain the information and makes college feel more worthwhile.
So yeah, the Great Plains Scholarship Program has really been valuable to practice some of the skills I've learned at K-State Salina. School does a really good job of kind of getting your feet wet, but it's nice to get the experience of actually doing it in industry.
Working for Great Plains has been great. I have been able to work on projects for most of the departments and have met a bunch of great people.
We have a few graduates that have been in this program. They're getting into Great Plains now. The positive impact is they know what they're looking for. They know what to expect during their first 3, 6, 9 months with the company. They really are able to hit the ground running. The best part about that is that they're also going to know the people they work with.
The Great Plains Scholars Program has really helped me obtaining my education. The scholarship that they provide really helps financially.
With the graduation of some of our students here, they have accepted jobs directly in with Great Plains, but it's been great to see the students see the benefit where they're going to be. They know what they want to do.
It allows me to save money for the future and prevents me from having to take out student loans. Fast forward 2 years, I'm still proud to represent the first ever scholars group. Graduating debt-free is a very nice feeling.